Greetings, Eric Bakker, the New Zealand Naturopath. Thanks for coming back. It's the 13th video all up out of 20. We're doing 20 videos, remember? This is the final video in the replace stage. The next video will be going into rebuild, the gut microbiome rebuilding stage. As we near the completion of the replace stage, I want you to remember something. It doesn't feel dramatic. I know I've said this in previous videos, but this is foundational. This is one of the most important stages for you to get right. Improving your digestive function, getting the stomach, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, getting them working better and improving the quality of your food. That's monumental. And the big thing is most people underestimate the quiet stuff. Replace was never about eating better food. It wasn't looking for the best diet. It wasn't also about putting you on a Candida elimination program. The real purpose of this stage was learning your body how to digest foods properly, how to absorb nutrients properly, how to reduce fermentation and a lot of symptoms. It was about regulating your digestive function more and also becoming aware of the habits around eating. That was the whole purpose of this second stage. It was designed to build digestive strength and not suppress symptoms with pills or drugs. Now that's pretty deep work to me. That's not surface fluff. Here's the key thing I want you to really be aware of. Even if you've got symptoms at this stage, the important part is the replace stage success is about feeling better in yourself, improved digestion, a little bit better energy, better sleep, better moods. When you can see these parameters improving even in a minority, it means that you're moving the needle in the right direction. Let's talk about the quiet win. I call it awareness. This is gold for you, and this is something that's really going to help you get easily into stage 3 and through recovery. It's awareness. You're becoming more aware. You're opening your eyes to the foods that work with your gut, the foods that sabotage your digestive system, to spend a few minutes slowing down when you eat, to breathe and relax as you're going into your meal. You've probably also learned by now that slowing down and simple meals is a lot better. And this is really good information for you, and it helps you to guide you into stage 3. The replace stage felt subtle, calming, steady, and less dramatic than you expected, then you're on the right track. Strong digestion is never built through extremes, it's built through consistency and purpose. As we move from replace into the rebuild stage, I want you not to fall back into these habits, and some people slip back into them. Adding lots of new foods at once. Don't try and just change your diet overnight. The gut responds better to quality foods, simple meals at a slow pace. So introduce slowly, nothing dramatic. Don't switch from being carnivore to vegan. It doesn't really work for most people. The other one is be careful not to go back to previous treatments, to think now's a good time to bring in this biofilm buster or this liver detox product. It's also not a good idea to go hard or go home, to push harder, to push it all through. Not good to also chase lingering symptoms, to just keep chasing different symptoms with pills. I've seen this for decades in the clinic and it never works. It just costs you a lot of money and it just sets you back. Don't change what's already working. If something's working even 2%, next year it could be 55%. Stay on track. If your digestion feels predictable, then you're progressing nicely. I don't recommend escalation at this stage. And we all know what happens when somebody tries to escalate things. It doesn't usually end up very good. It can get pretty messy. I also still recommend the use of enzymes and probiotics. Enzymes can really help getting you through this stage from stage 2 into stage 3. Check out the Yeastrix active enzymes and the Yeastrix daily probiotic. I designed those to work with programs just like this. But you may have noticed that I haven't really spoken during any of these videos yet about killing Candida or balancing Candida. That's because our core focus has been on improving the digestive system first and improving the quality of our food input. There's no reason why you can't take 1 or 2 capsules of the Yeastrix Candida cleanse every day. They're great gut balancing supplement which I developed over a 2-year period. Go and check it out, Yeastrix Candida cleanse. Take 1 with lunch and take 1 with your evening meal. So what are we going to do in stage 3 in the rebuild stage? So stage 3 shifts the focus from rebuilding your digestive system to building gut resilience. In the final stage, we're going to focus on gut microbiome diversity, gut lining integrity, improving the gut lining integrity, sustainable eating patterns, and also long-term balance. This is where recovery starts to become durable, not temporary. You didn't rush, you didn't panic, you built your gut function first, and this is where the real healing starts to take place. In the next video, it's video 14, it's the first video of the rebuild stage. We're going to introduce it without drama, not aggressively, not dramatically, but intelligently. You built strength, and now let's future-proof that strength. I want to thank you for tuning in and staying with me, and let's catch up with you in video 14. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.